Now for the other segments of hundreds, I'm just going to copy this first dictionary and for loops and change the numbers. Okay, now I'm gonna run it. Okay, it went good now. There are 21 prime numbers in dictionary from 100 to 200. Okay, now it's good. I get 21 prime numbers in dictionary from 100 to 200. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same for the other 8 segments of hundreds. I'm going to stop the video now. I'll restart the recording to run and show my final code when completed. Okay, Ed, now I'm gonna show you my final code, starting with the third segment of 100s, from 200 to 300, all the way to the 10th segment. This is my fourth segment, from 300 to 400. This is my fifth segment, from 400 to 500. This is my sixth segment, from 500 to 600. This is my seventh segment, from 600 to 700. This is my 8th segment from 700 to 800. This is my 9th segment from 800 to 900. This is my 10th segment from 900 to 1000. Okay, I'll run it and look through the console for the number of prime numbers. Okay, now the total of 168 prime numbers in dictionary from 0 to 1000. Okay, now there's a total of 25 prime numbers in dictionary from 0 to 100. Okay, now there's a total of 21 prime numbers in dictionary from 100 to 200. Okay, now there's a total of 16 prime numbers in dictionary from 200 to 300. Okay, now there's a total of 16 prime numbers in dictionary from 300 to 400. Okay, now there's a total of 17 prime numbers in dictionary from 400 to 500. Okay, now there's a total of 14 prime numbers in dictionary from 500 to 600. Okay, now there's a total of 16 prime numbers in dictionary from 600 to 700. Okay, now there's a total of 14 prime numbers in dictionary from 700 to 800. Okay, now there's a total of 15 prime numbers in dictionary from 800 to 900. Okay, now there's a total of 14 prime numbers in dictionary from 900 to 1000. That's it.